Hey everyone, it's Bradley, and today we're going to be talking about how to grow garlic in a raised garden bed during the cold, harsh winter. Let's go! First, let's talk about why growing in a raised garden bed is such a great idea. Raised garden beds have several benefits, such as improved drainage, easier access for planting and harvesting, and the ability to control the soil quality. These are just few of the many benefits that come with raised garden beds. Plus, they are a great option for people with limited space. Now let's get into the specifics of growing your garlic. The first thing you want to do is pick a place for your raised garden bed. I would not choose a place that gets less than 6 hours of daylight a day. So 8 hours, 12 hours, that's fine. But if you go under 6 hours, I wouldn't do it. Next, you want to prepare your soil. So what I did was I added compost in the bottom because I just built this bed today. I added compost in the bottom. I added good fluffy seed starting mix on top. I mixed it in the center, added some more on top, and that's how I prepped my bed. You can add minerals to it, like Trifecta Plus is a mineral that you can buy to add to it. It's a fertilizer. You can add compost. You can really whatever you have on your hands to fill your raised garden bed. Some people add sticks at the bottom. Some people add rotting logs, stuff like that. So do whatever works for you. After you have your bed prepped, it's time to plant your garlic. You can see when you want to plant your garlic by going on Google and looking up your growing zone. So here we are zone 6B here in Ohio. So that means I should have planted it about a month ago or two, but I didn't have the weather to plant it then. So I'm getting it planted now because we're having a spike of 40s. Now let's get into planting the garlic. Now when planting your garlic, you want to leave the papery flesh on the outside on, and you want to plant it from the bottom up, and you want to go about 1.5 to 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. So I'm going to go ahead and make holes here in our first row. So I'm going to do one here and one here. I'm going to shove the cloves of garlic in, and I'm just going to fit it. And then about every 6 inches you want to go. So we're going to go one here. Okay guys, once you plant them, you want to go ahead and cover them up by rubbing your hand over the soil, backfilling the holes in. Now that your garlic is planted, you want to go ahead and mulch it with 6 to 8 inches of straw or leaf litter. Here, I'm just going to use straw. This will help to hold in moisture, and you won't have to worry about watering near as much. Don't worry if you go more than 6 to 8 inches, it's just added protection. Once the winter months have passed, you're going to know that the garlic is going to want to start growing. You're going to want to pull back all your mulch to reveal your soil and remove it from the whole bed. Now after you've planted and you've mulched, it's time to water your bed. You want to water it heavy enough that it will penetrate through the straw and to the garlic. But in this case, we have rain coming, so I ain't gonna water it near as much. Finally, the time has come. It's time to harvest your garlic. You'll know it's ready when the leaves start to yellow and die back, usually mid-June or August. Carefully dig up the bulbs and allow them to dry in a cool, dark place for a week or so before storing or using them. And that's it. With a little bit of care and attention, you can successfully grow garlic in a raised garden bed over the winter. Okay guys, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment, share, and until next time, God bless. It's that easy.